I am Dr. Traci Kimball, General Practicing Manager at the Wish Clinic, a whole-person restoration center in North Glen, Colorado. The Wish Clinic is a private practice wound care center specializing in skin rejuvenation and advanced wound healing. This is an entrepreneurial project coming to fruition and designed to meet the strategic mandate declared by CMS to put patients at the center of care by 2030 that achieves equitable outcomes through high-quality, affordable, person-centered care. Ultimately, I chose to create my own multidisciplinary team to get patient wound closure without major admissions to hospitals, to avoid amputations in order to save a limb and a life. At the Wish Clinic, we're committed to offering holistic, all-encompassing skin and wound care solutions. Focusing on compassion, quality, and transparency, we make healthcare accessible for everyone in our community. I integrate many modalities, including lymphedema treatment, physical therapy, nutrition, infusion services, clinical exercise, telemedicine, virtual reality immersive experiences, and even palliative wound care. When designing the Wish Clinic, I chose the best for my patients in one fantastic space. I originally envisioned providing hyperbaric treatment. When I was assessing treatment modalities, risks, and hazards, I ultimately ruled out hyperbaric oxygen treatment as finding an appropriate property was beyond difficult, and the capital expense and subsequent risk and liability were prohibitive. The Wish Clinic is a place of service 11 and will ultimately be a multi-specialty organization, a true value-based care model, qualified as a mini wound care center to manage a population. I was blessed to learn about Vaporous at this critical juncture in my business development. Once I understood the treatment efficacy of their adjunct therapy, over 84+% wound resolution on stalled wounds, I was compelled to explore further. Come to find out, not only does their technology fill a gap between standard wound care and hyperbaric treatment, but it is also easy to adopt. There is no capital investment to have a device in one's clinic. They use a pay-per-use model, so I am cash flow positive from my first Vaporous treatment. When I learned that Vaporous also has a Category 1 CPT code, I pivoted to bring their technology into my practice. Their disposables are affordable and have the resources to help me implement and grow my wound care practice. I was up and going within an hour of onboarding to treat with my Vaporous device. The Wish Clinic just hosted an open house event and is already educating the community about our available resources to help heal and rejuvenate the skin. Installing the Vaporous hot button on our website was seamless for our webmaster, and we even integrated marketing-approved content into our collateral, pitching a comprehensive wound care model. We are also sending direct mailers to our neighborhood. We are developing strong referral partnerships with other providers in the area, such as primary care, vascular surgeons, infectious disease specialists, cardiologists, any provider that has patients with at-risk skin. Please send them to the Wish Clinic for a holistic, patient-centered healing approach. The prior auth service is amazing and lets me focus on what I do best, treat my patients. Their reimbursement guide has everything I need to know on how to bill and treat with Vaporous successfully, and their customer service is great. I am excited to start treating. My first patient experienced tremendous healing in just 6 treatments. He originally presented with a full-thickness ulceration with slough and skin necrosis. I saw an improvement in his tissue oxygenation using near-infrared spectral imaging after 4 treatments with greater than 75% wound surface area reduction. My vision of the Wish Clinic started back in 2014 for a comprehensive post-acute wound care facility, bringing accountable care, health equity, and new innovation into my business while developing partnerships with my community and decreasing overall healthcare expenses is my wish. I was named the Wound Wizard by one of my patients, and I am blessed to help my community.